What's up, everybody? KG here, coming at you with a quick and easy tutorial showing you how to do a few things actually. Today, we're going to learn how to create an HSI stake, how to mint our Hedron from an existing hex stake, and how to stake our Hedron and our Icosa all on the ETHPOW or ETHW and Ethereum Fair or ETHF network. I know it's a lot, but we will make it clean. We will make it organized. In this video, I am not going to show you how to connect to ETHW or ETHF, but I will have those links in the description below. And shout out to Dude who helped me get the Icosa for this video. Let's jump right into it. First, you're going to need to navigate to app.icosa.pro, and shout out to Alex from Hedron for making this front end to ETHW and ETHF possible. Couple things to note here. Sometimes when connecting here, you will not get your wallet to pop up automatically. That's okay. There are a couple workarounds. Obviously, click Connect Wallet, click MetaMask, and that should make your wallet pop up. Now, if that doesn't make your wallet pop up, you can go right here in the address bar and delete apps/hex, re-enter the page. That could possibly make it pop up. If that still doesn't work, go to the three dots in the top right, scroll down to settings, privacy and security, clear browsing data, clear data. Oh, before you do that, close out of the apps.icosa.pro, clear data, close Google Chrome, reopen Google Chrome, and then go back to apps.icosa.pro. Let's try again. Connect Wallet, MetaMask, and you'll see that it's not popping up. So if I delete apps/hex, that should make it pop up. So let's sign in. And for this example, I will be using ETHW, but it is the same exact process for ETHF. Every step I am doing here, you can do on both chains synonymously. All you have to do in your MetaMask is switch from ETHW mainnet to Ethereum Fair. The first thing we're going to do is mint our Hedron. I have two stakes here, one that has completed its time, and I already minted the Hedron. Right here, it'll show you your mintable Hedron. Click Actions, Mint Hedron. It'll show you what you're going to mint, and it'll give you the little tip that did you know you can stake your Hedron. But for now, we're just going to mint the Hedron. You're going to get the MetaMask pop-up. Confirm the transaction. And if you'd like to watch that transaction, you can. And now that that's done, we can check that Hedron actually did hit the wallet. I will drop the link to the Hedron contract address in the description below. But know that the Hedron contract address, the Icosa contract address, and any other contract address that was forked over is exactly the same as it was on Ethereum mainnet before the fork. So do not get scammed into using fake contract addresses. Verify on Etherscan. Now that we have our claimed Hedron, we're going to head over to the Icosa tab. And from here, you can create a new Icosa stake, as well as create a new Hedron stake. So let's go ahead and click Create New Hedron Stake. And we're going to do a whopping 1 Hedron. And you have two options, Approve Unlimited or Approve Exact. Approve Unlimited means that you are going to give the contract access to an unlimited amount of Hedron. Not that it's going to utilize it, but that it can. Whereas Approve Exact allows you, or allows the contract, to only utilize the exact amount of Hedron specified here. So I'm going to choose Approve Exact. MetaMask is loading. And you can see permission request, approved amount 1 Hedron. Confirm. And now that transaction will process. That Hedron spin limit was approved. So now we can click Stake Hedron, which will be another transaction that we have to confirm. And we will confirm it. Let's go back to MetaMask, where we can watch and wait. And that has been approved. So the stake has been successful. You can view your stake position here. You can end the stake, or you can add Hedron to your stake as well. Now, switching over to Icosa, it's pretty much the same process, but we'll walk through it. Again, a whopping 1 Icosa. Let's stake. We will confirm. And it is pending. And it is approved. And just like with the Hedron stake, you can add to your Icosa stake, or you can end your Icosa stake. Now, we have minted our Hedron, we have staked our Hedron, and we have staked our Icosa as well. So let's go and create an HSI stake with Hex. And this is very easy. All you have to do is you can go to the Hex tab, or you can accomplish this on the Hedron tab as well, right here. Go ahead and click Create Stake. And we'll enter our stake amount at 55. And we'll do our stake length for 1 day. And our type HSI. Something to consider here. If I do, let's say 100, it's going to ask me to approve exact or approve unlimited. Now, if I approve exact, it's going to allow me, or allow the contract to utilize whatever number I have here or less. If I do approve unlimited, I won't have to approve the contract to utilize any particular amount of hex going forward. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use 55. And because I've already allowed the contract permission to access 55 hex, anything I put below 55, I won't have to approve. Anything over 55, I will have to approve. So I'm going to do 55 for 1 day. We'll go ahead and stake the hex. And I will confirm. is pending. And we should now have an HSI stake. Navigate back over to the Hedron tab, and there it is. We have successfully created an HSI stake. And that's it. So in this video, I have shown you how to mint your Hedron, stake your Hedron, and stake your Icosa, as well as create an HSI stake through the Hedron protocol, all on Ethereum POW, ETHW, or Ethereum Fair, ETHF. If this video is helpful, please drop a like, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please let me know. And until next time, peace.